Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, we're taking a walking tour of Sant Miguel Beach in Barcelona, Spain. Sant Miguel Beach is a hidden gem that's located in the heart of the city. It's one of the smaller beaches in Barcelona, but it's perfect if you're looking for a quiet and relaxing spot to soak up the sun. As we walk along the boardwalk, you'll notice the stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and the clear blue skies above. It's a perfect day for a walk on the beach, and I can't wait to show you around. As we approach the beach, you'll notice the beautiful golden sand and the crystal clear waters. It's a picture-perfect spot that's perfect for swimming, sunbathing, or simply relaxing with a good book. One of the things that sets Sant Miguel Beach apart from other beaches in Barcelona is its peaceful and quiet atmosphere. It's not as crowded as some of the other beaches in the city, which means you can enjoy the stunning views and the warm sun without feeling overwhelmed. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!